So, we're at Wisconsin Point, checking out things here. It's cold, but the cool thing about it is, all right, first of all, let's get to the lighthouse. We're not walking out there, obviously. Wisconsin Point Lighthouse. Got Michelle Whitney freezing out here. Yeah, way out here. One of her favorites. Let's see where I can find it there. There we go. There's the Stewart J Cort. And moving down the Presque Isle. I believe the John G. Munson.
Yeah, what did we see in the distance?
Yeah.
Right there, that's another ship. That is crazy that you can
That's
see
the Whitefish Bay here.
And then I think there's
American Integrity.
There's another one on that side of American Integrity that you can see in the distance too. And that one is called the John Boland.
My goodness, this is great. Yeah, Michelle's got this marinetraffic.com site here that has all the comings and goings. So there's been some delays on the timing. Could be the other ships, in and out of the ports. These guys are all anchored and waiting. This one wasn't even facing that direction when I first was taking pictures. It's just anchored and
It says it's stuck, but then
moving.
it says it's moving at
Oh, maybe they are towing. Maybe they are moving. I don't know. But either way, I think going back to the car would be a good idea, and then we'll just keep updates on the app and see. Maybe we can catch one coming through. Because they come in right here between the breakwaters.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be so cool.